Hello students, today we are making origami Ganpati bookmark. For that we require 2 origami papers same color, 1 fabric, scissor, pencil and sketch pen. So let's start to make origami Ganpati bookmark. We will take one paper first. First we have to fold from the middle like this way. So we will get the triangle shape like this way. Then give the crease properly. Then you have to fold from the middle like this way and give the crease. Now we have a 2 triangles over here. So we will take one triangle till this line only and we will give the crease. Now from this corner till this line we have to fold the paper and we have to give the crease like this way. Now unfold it. Now from here also the same step, till this line we have to fold the paper and we have to give the crease like this way. Unfold it. Now till this line we have to fold the paper like this way and give the crease. Now we have to take this part inside like this way and we have to give the crease. The same step follow from here also. First you have to fold the paper like this way and give the crease. Now take this part inside like this way and give the crease. So our bookmark is ready. Our origami bookmark is ready. See, you can keep this in book like this way. And so our origami bookmark is ready. Now we will give the look of Ganpati. So we required one paper for this, pencil, scissor, stick and sketch pen. So now first what we have to fold from the middle like this way and give the crease. Now first we are making ears of the Ganpati. So what we will do, we will fold like this, so we will get the 2 ears. From the middle only you have to draw the ears. Like this way. Then with help of the scissor you can cut this . Now open this. Now cut from the middle also. So 2 ears is ready. Now we will make the trunk. So we will give the trunk shape. Now we will cut this trunk. Now with help of the fabric we will stick this. We will in the corners we will keep this and we will stick it like this way. From here also in the corners, then we will stick over here. Now we will stick the trunk. Now we will draw the eyes. Now with help of the sketch pen, we will do some like this way. So our origami Ganpati bookmark is ready. Now we will stick in our book like this way. So our simple Ganpati Ori bookmark is ready.